Welcome to 101 Main Street in the Village of Morrice. This adorable two-bedroom home sits on a corner lot and has many updates. The windows, siding, furnace, central air are all new in the last 3 to 5 years. As you enter this home, you're welcomed into a spacious living room with hardwood floors and large windows that flood the house with natural lighting. The kitchen is very quaint and has a new stove and refrigerator, plus room for a small dining room table. There are 2 bedrooms and both are good sized and have hardwood floors. In the hall, there is 3 additional closets, including a large cedar chest. There's also first floor laundry, and the washer, dryer, water softener, stove and refrigerator remain with the home. There is also a large attic space that is great for storage. The yard is L-shaped and there's a storage shed in the northwest corner. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga. Feel free to call or text me at 517-712-8009 for additional information or to schedule a time to take a peek at this lovely home.